Hi guys, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus, and let me show you how to update apps on this device. So at first open your Play Store, click on the account icon and select Manage Apps and Device. Here click on See Details under Updating Apps. Let me just stop it for a while. And you can either update one particular application. So if you wish to update, for example, Facebook, just click on Update right next to its icon. You can also cancel it. And then if you wish to update all apps at once, so all of them, just click on Update All and it would be done. You can use your device in a normal way while the process is ongoing, and then you can just open it to see the progress. So that's it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.